For today, we are going to draw rainbow apple. Let's go. Let's color it yellow.
Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Brown. Green. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Let's put glitter on it. Blue. Red glitters. Orange glitters. Yellow glitters. Green glitters. Blue glitters. Purple glitters.